All right, let's talk about experimental probability. This is when you actually do an experiment involving chance and you get some answers or some results. So you're going to actually do the experiment. This is not theoretical, this is actually experimental. So for example, let's say we had a spinner with red, green, blue, and orange places on it. What you would do is you would spin the spinner and then you would record. You could simply do it by making tally marks for the ones that you get. And say we had blue come up 3, green came up a couple of times, red came up once, and orange came up once. So my experimental probability of getting a red would be 1 out of, and I would just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 out of 7. Probability of getting a blue, and we're talking experimental probability, would be 3 out of 7. So that's my experimental probability. Now, if you were doing a number cube, you would do the same thing. Just keep track each time you roll a number and see what happens. So in this case, if I had the probability of getting a 2, and we're talking the experimental probability, it would be 2 because I rolled it twice out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 out of 9. Probability of getting a 5 experimentally would be 1 out of 9. So that is experimental probability, just actually doing the experiment and recording your results.